Hey guys, I'm Crafty Nanny. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever been in the middle of a project, or you're going to make something for someone for gift or something, and you really want to add the age to, let's say, the metal? I'm going to show you today how you can, in under 10 minutes, create a beautiful galvanized look and even rust some metal that you want to use on one of your projects. This right here is the one that I galvanized, and I achieved this in about 10 minutes. I did another item, and this spoon I galvanized. We got a little bit of rust going on, and that's the side I did not prep. That's the side I did prep, and as you can see, there is rust forming all over this, and this one took about 20 minutes. For today's project, you're going to need hydrogen peroxide, white vinegar, kitchen salt, measuring cup, 1 tablespoon and a 1/4 teaspoon, a rag, a piece of sandpaper, gloves, and then of course the item that you're going to galvanize. This is the side that I did. This is the side that we're going to do together. So let's jump right in. Always wanted to do that. The first thing we're going to do is you need to distress whatever metal it is that you are going to be distressing some more, or rusting, or galvanizing. So they recommend taking a piece of fine sandpaper and just rough it up. They want you to remove all of that shine, but honestly, I did not. As you can see on this side, I did not remove all of the shine. I just want to make it look older. I don't want to galvanize or rust the entire thing. By the way, this was $1 at Dollar Tree before they went up to $1.25. And as you can see, I'm not really being precise, and that's okay because I don't want the whole thing done anyway. I think that's good enough. All right, so I'm going to set this aside, and then we're going to mix up our concoction. And when you mix this, you might not want to do it in the house. It's totally up to you, but I don't, when you mix things like this, you probably want to be safe. So make sure you're in open air. I'm going to mix 1 cup of peroxide. So I'll put the peroxide in first. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. The last thing we're going to do is add in 3/4 teaspoons of table salt. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you have any left over, you can just throw it over your left shoulder for good luck. There we go. Hopefully this is good luck. That was good luck, and this actually works. You want to make sure that that salt is dissolved. I'm going to use a wooden pencil. Now, you can use metal if you want to, but if the metal all doesn't have the shine on it, it's going to probably start to rust as you stir, so it's up to you. And as you can see down in there, that salt is dissolved. Now, we're going to take our item, and then we're going to just dip our rag right down in the concoction here, and just kind of go like this. Now, the other side, what I ended up doing is I soaked this in the solution, and I literally just laid it on top of it. Now, in 10 minutes, we're going to come back, and you know what? Honestly, I think I'm going to do that again. And then in 10 minutes, we're going to come back and take a look at it. And I will pause the video because you guys don't need to watch this sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll come back in 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I got a confession. It has not been 10 minutes, but I'm kind of looking through this, and it looks like it might be doing something. So we're going to check it. This has been 8 minutes. So here is the reveal. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at how pretty that is, you guys. Look at that. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Isn't that pretty? I love this. I love this. I'm going to let it sit a little bit longer. I'm going to just roll over the entire thing now, and I'm going to let it sit for maybe 3 or 4 more minutes, and then I'm going to wash it with hot soap and water, and then it should be ready to go. So, all right, we're going to come back in, what did I say, 4 minutes? All right, we're going to come back in 4 minutes and see what it's done. All right, as promised, it's been 4 minutes, and as you can see, look what it's done. Look at the rust. Look at the rust. Isn't that beautiful? Now you can wipe it off. I hope that you can see the rust in that. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? So if you want it to continue rusting, you're going to want to just leave it alone. You can leave it sitting overnight or whatever. It depends on how much rust or galvanization that you're looking for. I am completely happy and satisfied with what I have done here today. And honestly, because I am very happy with this, I'm going to go ahead and wash it in hot soapy water. And then I'm going to put a lacquer finish over this. And the reason for that is to stop it from rusting. So it's highly recommended that you do a polyurethane or a spray poly or something over the top to stop it from rusting. I have not tried Mod Podge yet. I think I might give that a try. So with that being said, I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.